This soup is nourishing, simple, and cozy, the kind of thing you make when you want something without overthinking dinner. Start by cooking the lentils. Add them to a pot with vegetable broth and a bay leaf. Simmer until mostly tender. While the lentils cook, heat olive oil in a large skillet. Add the onion and carrots and cook until they soften and start to smell sweet. Then add the zucchini, yellow squash, and garlic, cooking just until tender. Stir in the escarole and oregano and let it wilt into the pan. Escarole is a classic soup green that softens beautifully and adds balance without overpowering the dish. This soup is also very flexible. You can add potatoes, swap in different vegetables, or use whatever herbs you have on hand. It's meant to work with what's in your kitchen. Once the vegetables are ready, add them to the pot with the lentils, along with the tomatoes, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and a bit of water. Bring everything back to a gentle boil, then simmer so the flavors come together. Taste and adjust the seasoning, then finish with a squeeze of lemon, fresh herbs, or red pepper flakes. Serve warm with crusty bread or over rice. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for all the details.